My name is Karena. I am a bio and a psych major, and I plan on graduating in May of 2025. I went on a volunteer trip in August, and I think that was really memorable. It was 10 days. It was so fast, but I learned so much about myself, and I learned so much about the people I was traveling with who I didn't know before. The service trip in Ireland was at Barrettstown Summer Camp for young children who have illnesses that they are dealing with every single day of their life. And it is their 1 week to just have fun. So we focus so much on their fun and just their joy, while also sometimes talking about how hard it is to live with an illness that is affecting you every single day, but in a way where we gave them so much grace and so much time to just either open up or just not even talk about it at all. Reflecting back to the service trip, I feel like I know what I want to do when I graduate college. I knew that I wanted to work with children, but I thought I wanted to work with young children, but now I was with 16-year-old boys. I was like, I have nothing in common with them, but I did, and it was really cool watching that relationship grow in just a week. So I know now what I want to do, and I feel very, very confident in that answer. To the Chandlers, I would say thank you, one, for providing me with the opportunity to go on a service learning trip outside of the country. It was the first time I went out of the country, which was incredible. And also, thank you for listening to my story when I came back. We had a conversation together, and they were so incredibly kind and just wanted to hear everything about it, which I thought was incredible.